Beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic, this beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body.
Hey guys, it's Drew here. Back with another video. Today's video, I am teaching you guys how. Oh my god, I'll say it one more time. How to make an intro, no effects, basically the ones I make. So also what you need to do at first is go to Chrome, Google, whatever you want to call it, and get your background. I do nature backgrounds mostly because I'm into that stuff. Sorry, I have me a background. Excuse me. So anyways, what you do is go to Fonto because you're gonna need this app for a lot of stuff. So load image from device. So I'm gonna go find me a background image I can use. Actually, I already made me a background image. I just gotta go find it. Oh my god. Anyways, this is pictures I took of stuff I did when I went back to school shopping. I really like this right here. But anyways, let's go find this background image. Where the heck is it at? Here it is. Here's background image. So basically, all you really have to do is just pick your background image without any text. You know, just add your text. You can do fonts. These are the ones I've downloaded. I'll show you how to download fonts too later. And then this, let's see. I'm just gonna type in KWA. Done. So what you do is style. You press background. You do that color, the red, and then you go corner and you just like, you know, corner. Do the corners and stuff, how hard it is. But that's how you do that. But I'm gonna just text. Done. Anyway, so that's what you do. And then you go to, also you can go to, here it is. I'm gonna go to Chica to do this. Intro. What's this? Oh, look at me. Cancel. So basically, I gotta delete this out because this is not gonna go up. So what I did is I just took the photo, I added it here, and I just basically, then you add your video. And so basically, I'm using one with background music that I like. Which one's this one? So then I take that down, press check, and look, they're all the same. You know, the video is gonna be short like this at first, but then you just go and you make it as long as the other thing. Also, if your video is like this and stuff, like if your stuff is like this, you just make it bigger and stretch it out as far as you can. So, let me fix this. Actually, let me just do this. Oh my god, y'all, I done messed it up. Alright, here we go. Basically, yeah, so then the intro is gonna look like this, so let me just tap it.
So don't you worry about things, but you'll be okay.
Alright, so basically though, you press this and you just save it in your high quality. So if I were to probably make a new intro, this would probably be my new intro. And after, I don't know, I haven't got to that. So I'm letting this save. The fact that this video is already 4 minutes means I have to speed this stuff up. Come on, I'll be right back when it's finished. Anyways, so then I go to, you know, little InShot.
Hi,
oh my god, XP, shut up. Go to InShot. There's just a little problem. My video is uploading, so when it's finished, I'll come back and help you. Okay, so we're back. We're at the homepage. You go to video. Oh my god, here's the video. Why is it not going sideways? Whatever. Anyways, so then from there, we just go to crop, and we just crop out, keep cut, pretty much. That's all you do. And check it out. It's like this. And you save it, press save, and you put what you want, and that's how you do it. That's it for today's video, guys. If you don't know, comment down below. I'm going to be editing this video. So, yeah. Don't forget to always love yourself. Cheers out. Mwah.